People, this is Randy. You know me love promote business. If you're in a mobile and you come to Jamaica staying somewhere and you want fresh vegetables, call this person right here, Market on Wheels. And there's the number, my hold the phone, 876-439-2281. Jamaica Good Life love to promote people doing business for free. So I'm gonna show you now what this person, call her Miss Thompson for now, I'm not pronounce her name. She did a great job. So you guys email her. She takes Zelle too. So if you're in the Montego Bay area and you want your vegetables, good pricing, you could do that. So one of my fans online, they reach out to this person and they deliver it right to my place. So this is one of my first fans who feed me. Give thanks to Lady J. I'm gonna call her Lady J for now. This is $5,000, work out to be about $35. So you see me, I drink me tea. Check this out. Now this is what you call Jamaica Good Life. So people, somebody in foreign, if you live in Mobile, maybe there's other companies like this across Jamaica. This to show you how Jamaicans can actually have their own vegetable delivery service. So people, you could contact companies like hers, rewind the video to get the contact, and then right away send stuff to your family so you get them food. For about 35 US dollars, one of my fans sent me a gift. So this will show you some of my fans, them love me. Big up Lady J. Me also take care of the people, so finally somebody take care of me. She got me tomatoes, $34. Chocho, right? Look how them nice and fresh. I like this lady's company because okay, them small and not too big, right? She pick out the things good. Her presentation is good. String beans. I'm now go cut off the top of the beans, them, you know. On the top tip of the beans is where it's great for insulin. So string beans lightly steamed, great for pre-diabetic. 2 pounds of yam. Come here, some cow skin for go cook it with this. So 2 pounds of yam, I have some cow skin soup more I make. And you know, I'm gonna make a ginger. She have ginger too, $35. Ginger too, right? Cabbage, right? Some carrots, very nice. May I'll get scallions, fresh scallion them. And we'll get, for the soup, dasheen. And 2 nice heavy callaloo, fresh and nice. May I'll get papa too. People, callaloo and watermelon and pumpkin and pine for $35. And it takes me $600 to get to the market. So if I went to the market, I would have to bring all of this to the taxi stand, right? So this is delivered for $500 at my house. So basically, wow, you talk about Jamaica, this is what you're dealing with. A lady with her company that delivers directly to your place in Montego Bay. So this is how we living in Jamaica. This is Jamaica Good Life. I mean, so the delivery is about $4 something, right? When you do the maths at $3 something, right? And the food is 30. So that's including delivery, you know. So we're talking about $34 approximately, $5,000 Jamaican, and this is all fresh. You see her selection. So what she's done is she's perfectly selected the foods. That's what I like about it. She takes her time and she selects the vegetables. This saves you time. So if you have an Airbnb and you want to, you know, wow, come and wow, I'm impressed. And in fact, they accept Zelle. so it's no problem. So this is a business you can have your families do, and they just text the people their list of what they have, and the people order the pounds, and they text them a list per pound, and they order per pound, and they get it delivered right. And all they have to do is to share their Google Maps, and she came right to the house. I just share my Google Maps, and boom, there you go. So this is when we talk about Jamaica Good Life. So we're always looking for the good. We're always looking to help the business people them. So this free promotion is going out to, call her. Tell her Jamaica Good Life promoted her. Get her number. When you're staying at the resort and you want to get some vegetables or fruits, you could call her and she deliver it to the hotel, and you just Zelle her. So let's help promote. She gets the 5-star from Jamaica Good Life this morning. Let's help her promote her business. Let's let her grow. Share the word. It's always good to help your brothers and sisters in business, so that we buy products from our brothers and sisters. That's the whole movement for Jamaica Good Life. And remember to check out JamaicaHealthBox.com. We always promoting our people business. We always want to see each other grow. We want to make sure that we are the sellers, because we've always been the buyers, so now we have to be the sellers. So Miss Thompson, kudos to you. Thank you for what you delivered. Guys, see the 876-439-2281, 439-2281. And thank you to Lady J. So if anyone out there wants to send me food, don't be afraid to send Randy food, because when I can't make my maga down, I eat dumpling and butter. Look how they take care of me, sir. These people that will love me. My love will know. This is Jamaica Good Life. And now I'm looking for a good wife to just come cook this up and things. So, yeah, what am I going to do today? Today, I'm going to cook some banana this morning. So I'm going to steam this banana with the carlo. I have some onions and thing. The chocho, I buy some cow skin. I will do chocho, carrot soup, pumpkin with the cow skin and dasheen and piece of the yam. So look out for that cooking show. And some scallion. This one I say, I'm going to throw some of the, when I make the cow skin soup, near to the end, I'm going to blend some of the carlo and throw it in there, add some more nutrients. Now the reason why I'm doing the cow skin soup, I do it every time I come down here, is because it's good for the joints, your spine, and you know, get them strength. We have some lovely tomatoes. So again, let us farm. Let us keep building Jamaica. Let's keep building our businesses. We can sell, we could deliver, we could automate, we could use technology, we could use WhatsApp for the right thing. I'm out. This is yours truly, Randy for Jamaica Good Life. Remember, get this tea. I took this morning, blood pressure normalizer from Jamaica Health Box. That's what I use to balance my blood pressure and the sugar. All right. And remember, the man food them, I take one a day. 9 years on the market, right? Angela Burke, Jamaica Health Box. We're trying to fight off the Chinese them from taking over our country. So we're doing the work. I remember the Jamaica Good Life coffee right there. Oh, remember the cold pressed coconut? I'll get that on Jamaica Health Box. And the real chocolate just come out, you know. Boom. The Jamaican chocolate. The Panda Health Box is coming soon. I know some have Mr. Perlin and I'm afraid of everything. Now, where's our coffee for sure now? All right. This is Jamaica Good Life Coffee. Remember, this is for all our long-term fans who've been fans for years. This is a signature of the work we've been doing for the past 20 years. So when you get this, it's like being a part of a revolution. It is this movement that started a lot of things. A lot of people get help in Jamaica. So when you get this coffee, it's a signature coffee from Manchester. It shows that you've been watching the show. Go to JamaicaHealthBox.com. This coffee is there. The breadfruit extract at Jamaica Health Box. The watercress extract at Jamaica Health Box. Make we're looking at the fridge. You know what you need for making special juice. This is the stinking toe. This stinking toe right here, so I'm gonna put in on my juice. So stinking toe, look what it's good for. There's the name, right, people? So that's the LOCUST fruit, or the stinking toe is very good for you. You put it in your smoothie. So you can all get this at Jamaica Health Box. This is spirulina. You put that in there too. And I use arrowroot also, all right? So as you can see, I have some watermelon on my fridge. Everything natural now. We're changing the livat when I said diet. Big up to Yaya, we said livat. So you know, I have some star fruits in my fridge. I have a pear, I have some Carlo. So I'll be changing up my things. So my fever grass there. Fever grass and my mint. I'm gonna make my fever grass drink. So on my refrigerator, as you can see, will be a lot of greens for this season. And you're gonna see how I've worked out, how I've changed my lifestyle. Of course, you know, some of my chicken buck, still love my chicken. I know how to. So in my fridge right now, I have some chicken buck, also mixed vegetables I got from the market. And I know these are real carrots, cause they're not fake. They're not canned mixed vegetable. And I know some salt not added to it. So this must be more chicken buck. And of course, I use chicken buck because not too much meat on it. I love chicken buck soap. I love chicken buck. This is my cow skin. I have my cow skin. And my joints and everything. Alright, so we're going to keep filling up this fridge. Now, as you can see here, some of my almond them I'm going to pick up. I'm going to walk. I'm a pepper. So I'm going to get a brown one. You see? So my fridge I going to keep getting healthy and healthy and healthy. Anybody want to come clean the fridge, let me know. That's how we do things Jamaica now. This is kind of ripe, so I go steam the thing and eat the banana with some Carlo. So I'm going to steam that later. One love to all of you now. Remember, check out Miss Thompson, rewind the video. Check out Miss Thompson product because I'm going to keep ordering her stuff. And remember, anytime I want to get my food, I don't know if I do. Don't be rude and don't be crude. Until next time, later, take care of yourself. One love, Marcus Garvey.